Alright y'all, the anti-slip crochet cap. It has holes throughout the entire cap, so you don't have to worry about your hair or scalp being smothered. It is actually a new product. As you can see, the patent is still pending. Again, it has anti-slip. There is a piece of material that is keeping this cap from slipping and sliding. You no longer have to worry about, is my cap going to be sturdy and is it going to stay still on my head? So if you are experiencing any hair loss, any hair damage, or you just want to protect your hair, this is the cap. Let me show you what it looks like. So again, there is a piece of material. The material is very smooth. When I say smooth, it is smooth. And it just clings to your forehead. It clings to your whole perimeter from the forehead all the way around in the back. It just kind of sticks and clings to your skin. It is very comfortable, and as you can see, it is all the way around 360. It's nice and stretchy. It has holes again throughout the entire cap, so your scalp and your hair is breathing. There are 2 combs, one in the front and one in the back. I will be removing the combs because I do not want these combs to stick in my client's hair, snag her hair, or any of that. So I will be removing it. And again, ladies, if you are tired of your cap moving, or if you are unsure about using the cap, try this one. Try it. So again, I will be taking this comb out, throwing that away, and here is the other comb. I'm going to remove that comb as well because again, I do not want these combs to be sticking in my client's hair as she is going to be getting a full sew-in. I will not be using any lace at all. And again, look at that material. When I say smooth, I really do mean it's smooth, and it just clings to your skin, so you don't have to worry about, is it going to slip and slide, or is it going to turn any kind of which way. It is, when you put it on, it's stuck, it's stable. So I am going to apply it on my client's hair, so just watch the process. Look at that cap. I think it's very well constructed. Again, like I say, it's very stretchy. I think it fits medium to large size heads. If you have a really small head, it may be a little big. But medium to large size, I think it fits nice and snug. Not too tight, but just right. So again, if you are experiencing any hair loss, any hair damage, or if you just want to protect your hair from and use a protective style, this cap is perfect. Listen to what my client has to say about it.
I guess I see myself differently in the mirror than I see myself in the picture.
Hey, I can feel the difference on this.
Is it tighter?
Oh yeah.
Is that going to be uncomfortable? Because you don't want it to be too uncomfortable.
It's so far, it's so good. Yeah, it's not.
She loves it, y'all. Okay, family, so in this video, I am going to show you how to install this anti-slip lace part cap. Yes, it is excellent for alopecia, thin hair, and short hair. If you have not tried it, you need to try this cap. Yes, when I say my clients love it, they love it. So here you can see my client. She has been experiencing some new hair growth since she's been using our G&G hair growth butter, and she's been coming to get her hair done on a regular basis. So as you can see here, she does have some hair loss on the sides and at the top. Her hair is coming back though. So yes, get your order in today for our G&G hair growth butter. I am going to start with the braid pattern, braiding her edges going down. Yes, I want to reduce as much tension on her edges as possible. So I am braiding her perimeter braid going down. So yes, to do this install properly, please make sure you do a perimeter braid. And again, you can tap the link in the description below to get your order in for our G&G hair growth butter and our hair growth oil. So as you can see, this is the complete braid pattern that I used on her hair. I did sort of like a beehive, but I wanted to make sure that I left her natural part open to match the part that's in the cap. So yes, the part that's in the cap, as you can see, it's a 5-inch lace. It is going to match with her natural part. And again, I love this cap. It's very durable. Again, it has holes in it so that your hair can breathe. It's very stretchable. It is big head friendly. Yes, that means it fits all different head sizes. So here you can see I'm installing the cap on her head. And again, I am matching the net part up against her natural part. And I'm actually going to do a new technique that I just decided to try on her hair. It's a technique where I install an extra braid around the perimeter. Why am I doing this? Because I want to make sure that this cap is nice and secure and that it stays in place. We do not want it to slip, slide, or roll back at any point during the time she has this stall up. So this braid will be an additional attempt to prevent any slipping or sliding. So again, I am braiding this braid all the way around the perimeter. As you can see, it is stretching all the way around from one side all the way around to the other side. Look at that. That's the braid. And after I get to the other side, I am crocheting that braid down, the ends of the braid. So that end of the braid is going to be crocheted down, and then I'm going to secure it by sewing that braid down to the net. Yes, this is for extra security. This cap will not move, it will not slide, even with the silicone that's around the perimeter. But this is also giving her some extra protection, and plus it gives me more security to be able to do her crochets. Yes, this is going to be a beautiful crochet style. Look at that braid as it goes all the way around the perimeter. Yes, this is going to give her extra fullness in the front because she definitely made sure she let me know that she wanted her style to be full. So yes, here you can see I am sewing on that braid. Look how secure and sturdy that braid is. And look at the fullness that she is getting in the front. Here I'm using my other new technique, and that is sewing the crochets. Yes, instead of crocheting it close to the lace part that she has here, I am actually sewing it in. Why? Because this is going to get a closer closed part so that the part looks as natural as possible, and I can get the crochets close together without having any gaps. Again, this is going to give her the fullness that she wants in the front. Oh my gosh. Look at that fullness. Look at that hairline. It looks so natural. She doesn't like baby hair, so there is no baby hair here, but this style is very versatile. She can wear it in many different styles. So again, if you have not tried this lace part cap, this anti-slip cap, Please try it. Get your order in today. Again, tap the link in the description below to place your order. And look how beautiful this style is. Absolutely gorgeous. Please continue to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to tap that bell so you do not miss any of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay blessed.